Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable your DREAME X50 Ultra to clean along the floor seams. If you'd like to do it, click on three dots in top right corner, go to floor cleaning settings, and then you'll see cleaning along the floor. So it will clean the floor along its direction to minimize scraping against the floor seams. And for that, it is worth actually customizing your map. So you can go to map customization, then select floor material and select a room that you'd like to change it in. Select floor material and you can set the floor to horizontal, vertical or others. Let's set it to horizontal here. I have vertical here, and that's how it'll adjust the cleaning direction. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.